Hi, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you this recipe that I did under lockdown, and it is the last in the series as well, I promise. All you need is a bowl of cooked rice only, like jasmine rice or whatever, and then just 2 Khmer sausages. You can find these sausages at any Asian grocery stores in your area, but if these sausages are so difficult to find in your area, you can always use your sausages to substitute it. And then I've got 2 duck eggs. If you got chicken egg, you can use it, but you probably need more than 2, 3 or 4 I think. And then just a bunch of frozen veggies. If you don't like veggies, you don't need to use this at all. And just 3 garlic cloves, a handful of spring onions. And here's the list of all of the ingredients that you need to cook this dish. First, just soak your sausages in water, and then doing this will make it easier for us to remove the skin later on. Like, leave it there for 5 minutes and it's going to be fine. And just chop garlic into small pieces. And if you have a blender, you can always use a blender, but I don't have one at home, so yeah, this is the way that I did it. And cut spring onion like you can see in these videos as well. Then grate 2 eggs in a bowl, whisk until the yolk and the white part become one. Then we can start seasoning it with a teaspoon of seasoning powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, whisk it again, put some spring onions, and whisk it a bit more. And then we can remove the skins of our Khmer sausages now. You can see it's really easy to remove it. And in the hot pan, just put eggs in, wait until it's cooked. And if this side is cooked, just flip it to the other side to make sure all sides are cooked. And put the sausages in the fat pan. Put a little bit of cooking oils in. Turn it upside down until all sides are cooked. And then you can see it's really to start turning golden brown, and this is almost done. And now it's done. I'll show you. You can see it turned golden brown like that. It's done. And then we can go and cut our eggs. You don't have to cut it like me. You can use your own creativity to make it look beautiful in your food. And if you did, please again tag me on Instagram. I love to see your versions so much. And then cut your sausages like this as well, but I made a mistake here. Mine was a bit too thick. And then we can go and start to cook the whole thing. Saute the garlic, and then put veggies in. And then season it with half a teaspoon of seasoning powder, a pinch of salt, stir it a bit more. Then put the sausages in and saute for a bit, and then cook rice in this roll. Stir it a bit. Make sure the rice and the seasoning powders and everything come together. I mean the taste of it. And then half a teaspoon of fried black pepper. Stir it a bit. And just put the eggs that we just prepared in, stir it a bit more. And then sesame oil, and this is mostly for the smell only. You don't really need it. So. And then put spring onions in and saute it there for 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's done. You can serve it now. Thank you so much, and I hope you like the recipe. Make sure to tag me on Instagram as well, and I really want to see your versions of it. And please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.